2021 Chevrolet Colorado. With less than 28,000 miles on the odometer, this pickup truck offers 2 full rows of seating for premium comfort. Find what you are looking for and more with these extra features: satellite radio, 4-wheel drive, backup camera, power driver seat, Bluetooth, front bucket seats, engine immobilizer, automatic headlights, auxiliary input, stability control, passenger side airbag sensor, adjustable steering wheel, daytime running lights, traction control, air conditioning. As a Carfax one-owner vehicle, enjoy extra advantages such as having less normal wear and tear. This is a top-rated dealer. Visit our dealership soon and start driving today.